So the audio is probably going to be absolutely terrible at this point, but I've got in over my head. We came to get Sean out of here, and he told me to park up there, but you guys all know me. I'm not just going to sit up there. I'm going to come try to run this trail with everybody. And of course, we got ourselves in a little bit of a situation. I'm not sure if that's parts from my rig or somebody else's, but I lost the front drive shaft. I lost the door, like the mirror, or the window, the mirror, everything. Door handle. I'll show you guys more damage once we get out of here. But yeah, I wasn't even going to start a GoPro because of the wind. But with that being said, let's get the hell out of here some way. Carl, get your hands out of your pocket and get down here.
Chewing.
All right.
The entire video is chewing noises.
All right, loud chewer. Have you guys seen it when I put Carl in the last video? Somebody commented like, that guy's chewing is obnoxious. Well, I need the obnoxious chewer to come to my rescue. So back this rig down here and pull me up. You obnoxious chewer. If you're the guy who said it, I'm gonna literally tag you right now. I don't know why I just didn't record that. This Jeep is so bad to the bone and gnarly. I'm gonna do a whole video on this Jeep. Maybe not today, but sometime. You're gonna have to come this way and get your back end this way. Dude, that thing is gnarly. Gnarly. And of course, like, video will never do any of this justice, just so you guys know. Dude, that thing is sick. I'm like a kid in a candy store right now.
You see how much his body rolls?
Oh, yeah. Stay there. Stop. Stop. Because I'm right there with the strap. Am I on the strap?
Yeah.
It's gonna be my problem.
You're just barely on the strap.
I gotta wait till he proves it. I can't come back.
Oh! Back up, Carl.
So we're gonna have to get a smaller strap. Dude,
No, he's just got to re-pull you and pull you out that way now.
Yeah, you gotta go.
He's got to go that way now.
Yeah, way that way.
You got to reposition, Carl. You got, like, yeah, over.
I'm so.
Hang on, Carl. Hold up.
I'm gonna cry right now. This thing was so nice when I bought it a week ago. Now I got no windows.
Busted tail light. No door handle.
Just crushed my fucking nose.
Did you?
Oh, he moved that rock
Dude, he
hard.
moved the rock.
I thought you meant you were doing it, not the truck.
No, the
You
truck.
got a couple scratches today, bro.
Yeah.
Just a couple. Alright. You think he's good there?
I have not shown everybody all the damage yet, but we killed it.
Booyah.
This thing is an absolute monster.
Oh yeah.
Guys, I'm gonna do a full video on this. We're gonna make a date of
Get
it.
footage.
Oh yeah.
Coming up. Okay.
Sean was recording, I think. So I wasn't the cameraman. Sean was the cameraman. Huge thank you, Sean. Sean's actually the one we came in to save, and then we needed saved. Yeah. needed a jump start, and then look at the, okay, you guys can see some of the damage. I'll do a full reveal. I have no windows on the passenger side anymore.
Oh, it busted the whole window out.
One thing I love about Rouse Creek and coming up here is you absolutely never know what you are gonna see. Now that's a rock course, like that is hard to do. But obviously that massive unit just did it with ease. So sick. I don't even know if you guys can see those two rigs going, but they are sick. All right, let's go watch Scott do what I just did.
All right, forward back. Back up, driver. Hard pass. There you go. Yep.
I'm amateur recording right here.
Stay high.
You're not that bad.
No, you're good. Straight now. Go straight right there.
Stay straight, just there. Turn driver.
Driver. Right there, yep.
Driver. Straight. Yep.
Straight. Come on, my lock. Go straight. One more. Hard driver. Yep, I have my lockers on now.
Yeah, hard driver.
Yeah, I'm on all the time.
Stay driver. Stay driver. You're good. You're good. Stay driver. You're gonna start going up. You're good. You're good. Stay in it. You're good. You're good. I know it feels bad, but you're good. It's solid. You're gonna start lifting up in the rear. Yep. Sick. Dude, I told you.
Thank you. LJ9.
Dude, I told you this thing would crawl it way easier than Carl's. Sometimes, like, this more simple build just does amazing.
I don't know. Carl. Where's he at? Where's Carl?
He went to look at that rock bouncer, I think. So sick. Didn't I tell you yours would walk it so smooth?
Hey, where's Bobby at in the Colorado?
Yeah, where's Bobby? RF Racing, where you at, bro? Where you at?
Like over where?
Dude, that was
I
sick.
called him out.
No,
That was sick.
He hasn't hit me back yet.
Really?
Yeah.
There's your call out. He said come get some.
Yeah.
One thing you should always do too is if you go ahead and make a mess, clean up after yourself. So like, sure, I could have just kept going and walked away from all this, but you always leave the trails in the woods better than you found it. Well, let's see what we can get into. I can already tell that this thing is riding so much better than it did the last time we were out here. Now, part of that is because, like, there's some pretty good rocks. You can see running it over like gravy, like butter. Now, part of it is because these tires actually have a sidewall, but we're gonna go out here and run some trails and have some fun. Drives way better. So excited about this. I have never done one of these RTI ramps because I think it's kind of, I'm gonna say it, douchey. But let's see what this old girl got. Keep in mind I broke the drive shaft in front, so I don't have four-wheel drive. We could probably go a little higher if I had four-wheel drive, but I don't. I almost jumped back in the truck, but that's actually pretty massive. Like, it's pretty high up there. That's my waist. So I'd say it's a solid, I don't want to call it 40 inches, but that's got to be, I don't know what kind of travel that is. I have no idea. I'm not really an RTI guy, but if you know, let me know. As you can see, I could probably go a little bit farther if I had the drive shaft, but we're broken. I'm just warming up. All right, guys, I wanted to show you some of the damage I got and why I need it pulled up out of there. Not sure how well you guys can see, like that gear right there or ear is just completely twisted, so I couldn't get the drive shaft back in. So we've got a grinder here, thanks to Carl. And obviously this is the end shaft that slides in, but I wasn't able to get it to slide in. This is gonna happen again. It is gonna pull out. Obviously I'm with it being lifted, you guys already know the deal. This is normally here, but here it is when it's lifted. So we're gonna get new shafts and everything made, but for now, let's get this ground out and get back out on the trails.
Wood right here.
It's not gonna roll. Now you see what I'm saying? No. Now you feel the difference. When I say you can't roll,
alright, let me out.
It's less of a trail.
Steve, man.
You just missed.
No, pause, wait.
It's less.
Right here, let me out. For real, I'm not playing. I'm not playing.
There's nothing else. That's the worst part.
What do you mean?
This is easy. It's flat.
What the fuck, man?
You see what I'm saying now? It takes a lot to roll these things.
No, I don't do it. I see that I'm fucking shitting my pants almost. Oh, dude, this rock's
I wish I had a GoPro in here for that.
Oh, you hit that. Dude, you just fucked this truck up. That was bad. That was really bad.
I should have had a fucking GoPro in here. I wish I had a GoPro in here for that.
Yeah, me too. Fuck, dude. Fuck you. Never again.
We're gonna have to trim the cooling fan there. Oh, should have went slower. The chewer's back.
No?
The chewer.
Yeah.
Good, how are you?
Your car fence may stay, please. Right. The reason I pulled you over because I run your registration plate, nothing comes back.
Yeah, I just got it.
Just buy it.
The 26.